Okay guys, so we just ported in Nassau, Bahamas.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's hot.
very hot. I feel like my face is melting. Look how blue the water is. Huh? That's our ship right there. To get one of those.
Go to Atlanta.
Real tourist.
You want to hang out? What?
Which I want to
There's
do.
options. There's a bunch of options.
How much to go to the beach?
$4 per person. That's it.
You want to go to the beach?
Yeah, 40.
And they have people, you know, doing the excursions on the beach.
Absolutely.
Okay. You want to do that?
Jet ski, banana boat ride, parasail, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look, right
Yeah.
this way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah. This feels great.
I can get you.
Yes.
What time? What time you guys
Thank you.
will be ready? 2 o'clock?
Yeah,
2 o'clock, I'll be here waiting on you. You can't be good. Just remember, be careful.
Okay. Thank you. Look, we got a Bahama dollar.
Man, is that, we can spend that in the U.S.?
No, I'm gonna save it. Bahamas.
Play maybe
Bahama dollar. Yeah.
Monopoly.
we don't use this.
I'm gonna save it if I can't use it, but we can use it here.
Yeah.
How you guys doing?
Good. How you doing? How much?
It's normally 70 for half hour, 140 for 1 hour, but that's the white folks price. Like my black people, we brothers and sisters, we give you a discount. How long do you want it for? Half hour, 1 hour? You can ride doubles,
Half.
you can ride doubles, or you can ride singles. Up to you.
Half.
2-person ride, 1 jet ski, be 70 for 2 people. That's
You get back, come and see me. I'm the drink guy.
Okay.
right, Johnny. Go with
Straight up.
Jet ski time. Hey, babe.
What's up? What's up? All right, y'all. We out here on the beach in the Bahamas. Just chilling out.
Hey, can I get Miami Vice strong?
What's that?
For YouTube?
Live in the Bahamas, we out here, Gabba's Beach. We having a good time. You know, we ain't go for life. We missed the hurricane, we out here. Shout out to all my ATL people. Y'all come and visit us. We out here, everything y'all need. Trap jumping. We out here, we really out here. Chilling with this beautiful
Hey, cut that piece out. Tell all these sisters and your brothers to come here, because, you know, you're a beautiful lady.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. The water came all the way up here. Oh, that's cool. Like a pet.
On the screen.
Give me a kiss.
We're gonna slow you down.
I'm coming. They tried to leave me, y'all. What kind of friend she is?
Shut up.
Is that him on the?
Yeah, we'll go to her. Oh, sorry.
It's always in my bed. She a pirate.
Thank you. Headed back to the boat.
I can't wait to get on this water.
Can
I'm good. I got pee. I'm coming. Oh my gosh.
I hear trying to watch the game. Burnsville. About to get live. We up here. Rise up. Exactly.
I'm a Ravens fan.
Yeah, your neighbor was back. My neighbor called me. Let me tell you what, my neighbor just called me. He goes, hey, Phil, right? Because I'm Phil, right? Don't call me Philip. That's my daddy, and I don't like that son of a bitch, okay? He thinks the lawnmowers are for free. Give it back! So anyway, my neighbor called me, right? He goes, hey, Phil. I go, what? He goes, hey, man, 4 churches got destroyed. That's what he said. He said 4 churches got destroyed. I told him, I said, damn, son, I don't care. I like Popeye's chicken better. Explain that to me, my brother. They got Church's Chicken over there in Slovakia, or KFC, or Bojangles. They got dirty rice. Okay. Alabama is a state. Sweet Home, Alabama, by Leonard Skinner. You know where they're from? They're from Jacksonville, Florida. You guys think that's a joke? That's not fun. That is actually true. That's hilarious. You just don't want to tell that to 6 rednecks in Gadsden, Alabama on a Saturday night, October 9th, 2011. No, that was not a good night.